Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to create an HTML page by using image and anchor element. So let's start with image element. To preview any image in your Explorer, you can write an image syntax within the opening and closing angle. And after that you can write src syntax where you can write the URL from your Google, or you can write any file path within your Explorer. So I have a file path within my Explorer, so you can write it here. In your preview, you can see the image is visible. Now, if you have any error within the image, or if you have any issue within the image file path, you can write an alt tag which describes the image or whatever you want whenever the image is not being shown. So you can write alt tag, and for now I'm writing image of flower as my description, and I'm deliberately changing the image path. And now if I run this, you can see that the image is not visible but the description is. So this is a quick demo regarding the image element which is being shown in the preview. So now let's move on to the anchor tag. Anchor tag is being used to preview any clickable link in the preview. To preview any clickable link, you have to write a syntax called as a. After that you have to write the href syntax. Within href syntax you have to write the link. For now I am using Google link. And after that you can give this Google link a name. So I am writing simple Google for now. So after that, if I run this, you can see the Google tags is being given, and if you click this Google, you will be redirected to the Google page. So this is a quick demo regarding anchor tag. So today's goal project is to create this kind of HTML page. To create this kind of HTML page, as here you can see the e.digital studio is being given in the heading. So we can use here as h1 tag for the header. Within the body I would write h1, enter, and within the h1 opening and closing tag I would write the content. For now my content is the clickable link. So I would write a syntax and click enter, and within the href I would write the link of my eDigital Studio and give the name as e-digital studio and run this. So here you can see e-digital studio is being preview, and if you click this it would be redirect to the Instagram of eDigital Studio. Now I want to create this kind of image. So I have image within my Explorer. So in the index.html, after h1 tag I would write ing syntax and within the src I would give the file path, which is img, and for now I'm giving in the alt tag as eDigital Studio. So if there is any issue in this path or any error, this would be shown. So if I run this, you can see the eDigital Studio image is being previewed. So this is a quick demo and the goal project is being completed. To continue watch this kind of video, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you very much.